All right, guys, 2007 Honda Accord V6. Boom, 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 boom. Got converter up there. Then it winds into a single flex spot. Then a third converter there. There's the second converter, guys. There's the first converter up there. There's the third converter. This usually comes with 2 resonators. We took them out and put in a DYNOMAX race bullet right there. Part number 24215 right there. DYNOMAX race bullet 24215. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then we ran 2.5-inch pipe all the way back, custom bent out the passenger side to one side. He wanted it on one side at an angle right there. Look at that, as you guys can see there. So there it is. So it's a single exhaust 2.5 with a DYNOMAX race bullet out the side. And there's the original exhaust that I was telling you guys about. There's the resonator, second resonator, then it winds out and goes into 2-inch pipe before. So we took all that restriction out and ran it into a single. So it looks a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. So now you know. Ain't that right, Juan? If you don't know, now you know. Honda Accord V6 with DYNOMAX race bullet. That sounds good. Your sound decibels, go ahead. 102. Again. That sounds really nice. That DYNOMAX sounds good on it. Let you guys hear on the inside. '2007 Honda Accord V6. We just finished the exhaust on it. He's going to show you guys the drive off. DYNOMAX bullet, 2.5-inch pipe, single. Oh yeah, perfect.